This is the ultimate smart car upgrade you can install in your car to get features typically found on new cars without upgrading your car and picking up a car payment. I'm going to show you more about DroneMobile. It provides an LTE connection for your car so you can lock, unlock, and remote start, as well as track your car's location, do some curfew stuff, and it even ties into a security system if you opt for that option. Now when it comes to using this, I can push this and kind of hold for a second, and it'll lock my car. And you heard a chirp back there and saw the lights blink. Now I unlock the car, and what this does is there's a little bit of haptic feedback, and you kind of have to hold just a little bit. That way you don't accidentally start or lock or unlock your car. Now if I hold the start stop, it's going to signal that it has been accepted, and here in a second it will start. Now I'm standing about 12 feet away from the car, but I can be anywhere. I've used this to start and to unlock the car while it was loaned to a family member a town away, and so you're talking about 40 miles. And really the only thing that you need to be concerned about is whether the car and your phone have a cell phone connection, and I found that the LTE connection inside DroneMobile is very reliable. Now depending on your installation, you can set up different auxiliary options, you can control the trunk, and you can do a panic mode. In this case, I couldn't get to my car in time, so I'm going to go ahead and hold this, and that will send a stop command to the car. The car is now stopped, and if I want, I can lock it back up, and my car is good to go. I can go about my business and come back to it later. Now that's not all, you also have Apple Watch control, so everything that we just did on the phone we can do from our Apple Watch. So I've just unlocked my car. I'll go ahead and start my car from my Apple Watch. And you'll see that the car has started there in the background, and that's really handy. I can do all that from my watch, and I don't need to pull the phone out of my pocket. Now there is no Siri support right now, but it's still really handy to have it on your Apple Watch. Here I'm looking at the DroneMobile app, which has just been updated, and you can see that I can track my car's location. With the GPS tracking, you're able to see where your car is in real time. This works with the DroneMobile module that is installed in your car. You can track a variety of features, including the latest alerts, as well as a look at the feed to see history and stats around the car. Now from a personal standpoint, I don't need this a whole lot, but if you were to use this in a business setting, you can even get idle alerts and do a lot of tracking of your employees and your vehicles. You can share this access with other family members, like a teen or a spouse. They'll still need the key to actually go somewhere with the car, but they can lock, unlock, and do remote start features right from the app. You'll see it monitors my car battery, which is a little bit on the low side, so I need to hook that up to a charger. And I can check the status of my car: engine, doors, door status, trunk, and hood. I can see the temperature inside the car. I can see some driving statistics, including speeding alerts and curfew alerts if I set that up. And that's a look at the different tracking and kind of status features that you get with this, which typically you wouldn't find in a 2013 Ford Fusion that you see behind the phone here. The DroneMobile module itself is $149 to $199. It installs inside the car and it connects into the internal systems. In this case, DroneMobile provided the review unit and provided for installation at Best Buy, where they installed a starter and a security system that all ties in so that we could experience the full solution. I really love the features that this provides because I'm testing out a lot of new cars and I really enjoy the connectivity options that come with those, but I don't want a whole new car payment right now. So with this, I've been able to warm this car up, keep it nice and toasty during a polar vortex, temperatures well below zero, and it came in really handy. And I really like the option that I get with the smartphone connectivity compared to just using a remote control. Now you still do have a remote control that you can start it with just like a normal starter. And in my case, I'm able to use my same lock and unlock buttons as well as my proximity entry. Depending on your car, it may be able to automatically heat or automatically cool depending on the external temperature. If not, you'll have to remember to set that before you get in and out, and that really comes down to your car more so than the DroneMobile or remote starter options. If you're looking for a way to upgrade your car and get some new car features without the new car payment, I highly recommend a DroneMobile upgrade. I'm Josh Smith with GottaBeMobile.com. If you found this video useful, please give us a like. That really helps us out. Leave us a comment and let us know what you want to know about the DroneMobile system. You can see a full review down in the link in the description below, and subscribe for more from GottaBeMobile.com. Thanks for watching.